Hey guys, I know most of you won't believe this. This is something that actually happened. I managed to get my hands on some leaked video of Nelson Mandela, but you won't find it online now. But I have my ways. So it's something that happened a while ago. I don't know. I can't really do Nelson Mandela's voice, but I'll try. As you remember, like when he came out of prison and all that, there was he found all these new music groups and whatever, like Boom Shaka and Mandela. I was like, yo, I came out of prison after a long time, and as you know, I love my music, especially African music. When I came out, the name was catchy, Boom Shaka, because Shaka is one of the honorable kings we had in Africa. So I decided to watch their videos. But oh, Gosiam, the way they shake their ass, I was so shocked. Dr. Gosiam, you must remember, I was in jail for a very, very long time. To come out of jail and to see boom, 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 boom. Oh my God, even talking about it, I can feel my blood rushing. Tabo Mbeki, please follow up. Ndicela amanzi. Thank you. Wabeka up. Thank you, Tabo. And then on top of that, there was this model. What's her name? British model, man. Nangu, yes. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you, Zuma. Naomi Campbell. Oh, aha. It's so like you, Zuma, to know such things. That is the major difference between you, Batata head, Intoka Batata. Now a Tabo. When a Tabo, you are not into women. You love your whiskey. We are a younger class in Falawa. When a Zuma, oh, Peon Kosiam, Mandiak, as I was saying. Naomi Campbell. When I met her, I was busy dancing. As you know, I love to dance. She came to me. I reached out my hand. I said, hi, how are you? You know I always say that. Hi, how are you? Even when I met Michael Jackson, I said, hi, how are you? Everyone, hi, how are you? Enjoy am yeah, I saw Naomi. I said, Naomi, hi, how are you? She was banging. I won't lie. I'm an honorable person, but I'm a man from Ekun. So, Ekunu, I never got any hugs. She held me tight. Then was on. One day, cleaning Sisi. Oh, Lord. That is when I realized I have to find a designer to make me my Madiba shirt because they are long enough to cover entire Chile. So, up to now, I realized that I have to take cover because these women are very hot these days. And I was in prison for a long time. So my blood is rushing. Let me stop right there because I can say a lot of things. Well, as woman, how you get these women and yes. Isangoma sakho, Zuma, inene, kugonondo. Gonondo yasabeka.